Hello friends, my name is Himanshi Midda. Today I am giving the presentation in which I am giving the answers of timetable schedule display. So let's start.
If you want details about the flight from London to Munich at 2 p.m. on August 10, what command will you have to give in Amadeus for that?
Transaction code TN, then enter the departure date, then enter the departure airport, arrival airport and desired departure time.
Right. If the departure date is omitted, then the system will show which date information?
Today's date information.
Right. If we do not write the time and date in the command, then what the system will display?
The flight starting today, in which current time?
Right. How many maximum digit flight numbers can have?
4.
Right. If a flight flies 7 days, then what code is used for that?
D code is used.
Right. If you have to come back from Munich to London in the evening of 7 p.m. on 28th August, what command will you give for that?
Transaction code TC, then enter the R for return, then departure date and time.
Right. If the arrival date is omitted, then the system will show which date information?
Today's date information.
Right. If we omit the departure time from the command, then the system will show which time information?
Default time at the midnight.
Right. What do you mean by neutral flight availability?
Seat availability at each flight.
Right. If semicolon code is used in the flight display, what does it mean?
It's a code share flight.
Right. What do you mean by code share flights?
In each flight, space shared and sold out by 2 airlines.
Right. If star code is used in the flight display, what does it mean?
In a single flight, leased out the seat by the airline to another airline.
Right. If C code is used in the flight display, what does it mean?
It's a charter flight.
Right. What command is used to get the flight information along with the seat availability in the flight?
AN code is used, then enter the departure date, city pair and desired departure time.
Okay, right. Which alphabet is used for the first class in Amadeus?
PFA.
Right. Which alphabet is used for the business class in Amadeus?
JCD.
Right. Which alphabet is used for economy class in Amadeus?
WYS.
Right. Which alphabet is used for discounted economy class in Amadeus?
BHKLMQTV.
Right. Which flight has a seat available? What is it called in Amadeus?
Availability from the timetable.
Right. What command is used to find out the seat availability for an existing timetable?
Can you please repeat?
What command is used to find out the seat availability from an existing timetable?
First of all, enter the transaction code TC, then enter the AN code.
Wrong. Which flight are displayed in the Amadeus availability display?
Flights which have no seat is flights which have only one seat is available for the in which one flight is available for booking and waitlisting.
Right. What is the main advantage of schedule display?
It shows all the possible flights which have no seat is available.
Right. What command you will use when you wanted to check flights between two cities on the specified date at the specified time?
SN code is used, then enter the departure date, departure airport, arrival airport and desired departure time.
Right. What is the command to be given to get information about a specific flight?
DO code is used and enter the flight line number.
Right.
Thank you.